Hello everyone, here welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share with you how I made this rich and delicious egusi soup. This is egusi soup for a get together, especially in this festive season. If you make this soup for your family and friends, they are going to enjoy it. So guys, let's get started. So in here I have already washed goat's meat and cow tripe, which is shaki. I'll go ahead and add into the pot. Follow with already soaked and washed ponmo. Then season with seasoning cube, salt, and chopped onions. Then I will add in some water, give it a quick stir, and then cover to cook until it's soft. Next, I will go ahead and add in some stockfish to the cooking meat. Then cover to continue cooking. In here, I've got some dried fish. Then I will soak them with some hot water for 5 minutes. And I've also got some red bay pepper, sweet pepper, onions, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'll go ahead to roughly blend them. Next, I'll go ahead to debone the fish. Full list of ingredients will be in the description box down below, and be sure to check it out. So I forget to mention that I changed the pot because I'll be using the other pot to make the soup. So right now the meat is done, then I'll keep it aside. In another pot, I will add in red oil, follow with some chopped onions. Then stir and fry for a minute. After that, add in the minced peppers. Then season with some seasoning cube, some salt to taste, and then fry for 10 to 15 minutes. To an empty bowl, we add in the bladed egusi, then mix with water. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on your notification so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. And to my old and new subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your time, thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. So guys, how are you enjoying your holidays so far? I hope you are having a wonderful time with your family and friends. All right. So here we are cooking the lumpy egusi soup. Next, add in some water to the sauce. Then add the egusi in a small or tiny lump. And after that, cover to cook for 15 minutes. At this point, cut the ponmo into small sizes or any sizes of your choice. Or you can also add the ponmo into the soup just like that. Next, add in the ponmo, the dried fish, stockfish, and the meat, and then add some meat stock, then mix to combine. So as for the meat or fish, you can use any meat of your choice. So you can also use crayfish, fish, whichever fish or meat you prefer. I also have another video on egusi soup which I use crayfish, so I will share the link in the description box. Stir and leave the soup on a low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then you go ahead to add the vegetables. So here I'm using bitter leaf. You can use any vegetables of your choice. After that, mix thoroughly to combine. And if you have watched this video to this point, that means you are part of the family. Thank you so much for staying so. So guys, egusi soup is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and leave a comment. And this egusi soup can be paired with any poundo of your choice, most especially pounded yam. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.